Show you how to make text appear one by one in Canva. Start by creating a new design or opening an existing one. Click on the text icon, the T on the left sidebar. Choose Add a text box or any text style you prefer. Enter your text. Click on the text box to select it. With the text box selected, click on Animate in the top toolbar. You'll see a variety of animation options. Scroll down to the writing category. The typewriter animation is perfect for making text appear one by one. Click on it to apply it to your text. You can choose between on enter or on exit. For this effect, on enter is usually the best option. If you have Canva Pro, you can adjust the speed and the writing style, character or word, to fine-tune the effect. After applying the animation, you can preview it by clicking the play button in the editor. If you want to adjust the animation, go back to the Animate menu, select Typewriter, and tweak the settings as needed. If you decide you don't want the animation anymore, select your text, go back to the Animate menu, and click Remove Animation. Once you're happy with how it looks, save your design by clicking Download or using other options to share or publish your work.